Guys, today's video, let's learn how to buy FIFA World Cup tickets. For that, you're going to have to launch a browser. Simply type in buy FIFA World Cup tickets. You will see various sites that are offering tickets for you to buy. You can go ahead and tap on any one of them, or you can tap on one of them and compare the prices and see if any tickets are cheaper than the others. So I'm going to go with this one right here. Now, as you open the link, you will see a page like this. Select the match you would like to buy the tickets for, and you will get landed to another site. And here, select the number of tickets that you would like to buy, if it's 1 or 2. Then select continue. Now, as you do that, select your section, for example, this. Make sure that you read each and everything. I'm going to be very fast for the video, but make sure that you go through everything. Here, tap on continue. And at the checkout page, you will be required to maybe create an account with this site right here. Confirm your payment methods, and then you will be able to purchase the tickets. Thank you for watching, guys. We will catch up in our next upload.